I was invited to see a seminar where Dr. Feld was speaking, and as he was giving various symptoms of TMJ syndrome, I felt he was talking about me. The symptoms that he was explaining, including nodules under the tongue, tooth problems on one or both sides of the face, not being able to open your mouth very wide, were all symptoms that I have been experiencing, not realizing that it was TMJ. So in June of 2009, I went for my first evaluation and discovered that not just one side of my jaw was messed up, but both sides. They do extensive evaluations on the jaw, head, neck area. They do various what they call pressure point evaluations, asking about your level of pain, the type of pain, and evaluations as far as your posture, the way you walk, and then they review all that with you and explain what they can do to help you. I was extremely skeptical, and the stick test, while it was very decisive and very pointed in what it was doing and what it was showing that the orthotic was going to do for me, I still was skeptical, even after the stick test. The doctors, when I originally started getting headaches, I was a young person, I had a child, and they would all say it's just stress, and they'd write me a prescription for pain pills. Well, they never did anything but numb your head, and when you're raising a kid, you can't have a numb head. I started the process, got my first orthotic, and was feeling considerable relief from the headaches after about 6 weeks, and it just gradually started getting better. I started to see the chiropractor that Dr. Feld recommended, which is Dr. Budding, to help guide my frame into helping to resolve the TMJ issues and to help work with the orthotic procedures. They have a day orthotic and a night orthotic that work in conjunction with each other to help with your issues both during the daytime of having your mouth closed too far and at nighttime with grinding, in which I was actually not grinding, I was clenching, which creates the nodules under the tongue, which I have 3.5. But they're not any bigger, they're smaller. So in October I received my second daytime orthotic, and I started weaning off the daytime orthotics a week ago. I don't have daily headaches. I don't have daily face pain, head pain. I used to have a constant headache in the front fourth of my head every day. Sometimes it was better, sometimes it was worse, but it was pretty much every day. I don't have it every day. I don't have facial pain anymore. I don't have the pressure in my sinuses anymore that I was having every day. It would be worse if I had any issues with the allergies of the weather, but I pretty much had facial pain and pressure every day, and I don't have that anymore. Weight loss was very gradual, but I've lost about 25 pounds, and I've been sleeping better. I'm more conscious of what I eat. The orthotic originally makes you eat slower, but it also helps you to eat better because you have specific things that you eat better than others. And so I've not really had much junk food in the last 9 months, which of course helps the weight issue as well. I started having to wear makeup because my face had so much color.